Hello and namaste. My name is Arun Pandala and I'm the director of Sivananda Yoga Center in Gurgaon. I'm very happy to welcome you to this very special series called Yoga for PCOS. Since 2015, we've been running a program in Gurgaon for women to address this specific problem, Poly-cystic Ovarian Syndrome. Women have an excessive hair growth, sometimes excessive hair fall, irregular periods, inability to conceive, excess weight, mood swings, hormonal imbalances. And these have been correlated, the cause being polycystic ovarian syndrome. And we have found that doing yoga and following a yogic protocol and a yogic lifestyle has remarkable results. You can improve your health, and these symptoms can go away. Since we've been running this program for so long, and so many women have benefited, and these are courses that we have run specifically in our centers in Gurgaon, and also during COVID online, we thought that it might be a very good idea to record that entire course. And we've done exactly that in a series of 8 videos so that you can practice in the convenience of your own home and also at your own time and benefit from the entire practices as well as the protocols that many women have benefited from in the past. So what is yoga for PCOS? We have looked at, first of all, the cause for PCOS. And there are 4 main factors. Number 1, high levels of stress. And we all know that in modern times, women are carrying many portfolios. It is not just to be a homemaker, but also to manage career and to manage a lot of external activities. And there is no rest, there is no respite. It is a continuous, ongoing, activity-led life, bringing about high levels of tension and stress. So one of the causes for a problem with the body, with the biology, is identified as stress. The second, our daily habits. What are we doing? How do we undertake our daily life from morning to evening? How much sleep do we get? What kind of company do we keep? What are the kind of disciplines that you follow to improve your health? So the second cause is the current habits that we have. The third, a very important cause is toxicity in our environment. And it's not just the air that we breathe, nor the water that we drink, nor the food that we eat, but also the amount of noise, the amount of different inputs, this instant messaging generation, so much of information, high levels of toxicity. And fourth, and not the least, our own ignorance about our health. These are the 4 main causative factors why someone would be having polycystic ovarian syndrome. In the course, in these 8 classes, you will get an idea of how to address these 4 main factors through the main pillars, the 3 main pillars. And what are those 3 main pillars? The 3 main pillars are an attention to exercise, proper exercise. Second, a proper diet. And third, a change of lifestyle. These are the 3 things that we'll be addressing in these 8 videos, and we'll be hoping that over a period of 3 to 6 months, you will religiously follow the protocols that are being suggested to you. Now let us see how to use these 8 videos that are part of the Yoga for PCOS course. In each of these videos, we have some yogic practices, asana, pranayama, surya namaskar, kriyas, special practices, and relaxation. So, of course, you will be going through these yogic practices. At the end of the videos, there is also a section of knowledge, which is we explain certain things that are important to bring about fundamental changes either in your lifestyle or in your diet or in your approach to exercise. So each video has a practice session and a section on some information and some knowledge and some guidance. It is further suggested that you use 2 videos every week so that you go through the 8 videos in a period of 4 weeks to begin with. And you become familiar with the entire set of practices and also the protocols that are being suggested to you. After 4 weeks are over, then you can go back to the videos and practice them again and again and again in a similar fashion, maybe 2 videos each week. And like this, definitely over a period of 3 months and then beyond, even to 6 months, you must continue the use of these videos. Initial period, 8 videos over 4 weeks, and then repeat the videos in the second and third month and continue beyond. The Yoga for PCOS course suggests that a minimum period of 3 months is required for you to start seeing substantial results and a reduction in the symptoms that you are facing currently. Finally, there is a separate video where there will be a summary of the protocols that you have to follow. Just to remind you, these protocols, it is a yogic way of life or a yogic approach to health, is based on 3 very important pillars: a proper diet, a proper approach to exercise, and a correct lifestyle. So these protocols, a total of 10 in number, is addressed in a separate video by me. Please have a look at that video towards the end of the course. I wish you all the best in this new journey of health. I must say that we haven't been formally educated in matters of health. However, human beings have been on the planet for thousands of years, and we have many traditional ways of approaching our health, and we can learn them slowly and over a period of time. And when we approach health from a holistic perspective, which includes a reduction in stress, proper habits, what is called dinacharya, you have a proper routine. When you understand what is toxic for you in our environment and you try to remove that toxicity, and you learn new things, you educate yourself about your own health, you will now be able to sit in the driver's seat and you will be able to guide your own destiny as far as your health is concerned. And surely you will have a remission of the symptoms that you're currently facing. That is what the Yoga for PCOS course is all about. It is wonderful to have you in the course with us. Thank you for joining, and do let us know how you have fared in doing these classes. If you have some questions, if you have some doubts, please remember to reach out to us. Our email IDs, our website, and our contact details are easily available as part of the course for you. Namaste. Thank you.